Good day, everyone. This is Mr. J, and I'm here to help you out with your math needs. So let's proceed with number 20, shall we? Which states, for a right triangle, one angle is 20 degrees. What are the other two angles? Obviously, I drew a triangle to your left of the board, and obviously it's not drawn to scale. Now, couple of keywords in here. It says for a right triangle. A right triangle means one of its angles is 90 degrees. And it is identified by drawing that box that I just put the arrow on here. That tells you it is a right angle, meaning 90 degrees. Now, with that being said, how many angles are there in a triangle? Or what's the measurement of all the angles in a triangle? It is always, and I mean always, this is for a triangle only. Doesn't matter what kind of triangle it is 180 degrees for the sum of all the angles in a triangle. So the question asks, what are the other two angles? Since we know all the angles add up to 180, we have to add 20 degrees, which is given in the word problem, plus 90 degrees, which I just mentioned before, there's a right angle because it's a right triangle, plus x degrees, which is the unknown. That's what we have to solve for. This is an algebraic equation. How do we solve this? What's 20 plus 90? 110 degrees plus x degrees equals 180. Now we have to solve for x. How do we do so? What's connected to the 110? Or how are the 110 and the x connected? By adding. What's the opposite of adding? Subtracting. Whatever I do on one side, I do to the other. So 180 minus 110 is 70 degrees, which is x degrees. Now, is this your final answer? Not quite, because it tells you what x is. But the question asks you, what are the other two angles? One of the other two angles is what you just mentioned before, which is 70 degrees. And the other angle, which is what I mentioned to you before, that angle right here, is 90 degrees. So the answer to our question, what are the other two angles? They are 70 degrees and 90 degrees. That is your final answer. Thank you very much for your time.